Okay guys, we got a 2013 Ford Edge here. This one's got the 2.0 liter, but shouldn't really matter for what we're doing this time. So we're gonna go ahead and reset the oil life. So right now we're on trip odometer. We're gonna use this keypad here. So we're gonna go left, take it on down to settings, press OK. And then we will actually be going to convenience, press OK. And this gives you all sorts of different options, but what we're going to be doing is oil life reset. So we'll take it down to oil life reset. It'll ask you what you want to set it to 100, and you're just going to hold down on the OK button. And it's complete. Now we're back to 100. We'll take the screen back to where we had it. Go back up to trip. And that's it, guys. So I hope this helps you. Please click like, please click subscribe, and click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. As always, guys, enjoy.